Hey guys, welcome back to another math lesson over volume. Today we are looking at spheres. Spheres are round objects like planets. I don't have a single example around. So, okay, this is a sphere. Yeah. So, we're going to learn how to find the volume of those kinds of objects. This comes in handy because air is calculated by finding the volume. So if you ever wanted to blow up a basketball, the amount of air inside that basketball has volume. So to draw a sphere, we're going to draw like a squishy circle. I'm no artist. Draw a dot in the middle to represent the center of the sphere. And we're going to draw a hoop across the top. Oh, this is going to be so bad. And down the bottom. Sure. Oh, kind of looks like a creepy eyeball. Okay. And then from the middle, straight to the outside, that's going to be my radius. Let's make radius 3. It doesn't really matter for this because we're going to use a calculator. All right. So radius is 3. We know that that means that from the inside, from the very center to the outside edge is always 3. So from here to here is 6. So every distance straight through the center is 6. And that's what makes it a sphere because it's perfectly round in that way. So my instructions, my directions. Step 1, we are going to do radius times radius times radius because notice the formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. And when we do PEMDAS, when we do the order of operations, exponents come first. So if my radius is 3, that means I'm doing 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. All right, so step 1, radius, 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 radius times radius times radius. Then step 2, the second thing we do is multiply by 3.14. So 27 times 3.14 is 84.78. So that's step 2. Step 3, here's where things are going to shift a little differently. So make sure you write this down. 4/3. To find 4/3 of something, you can multiply by 4/3. So I could take this number and multiply it by 4/3. 4/3. So make this over 1 and then 4. Or you can multiply by 4 and then divide by 3. And that's what I'm going to do. So step 3, we're multiply by 4. So this times 4. All right. And then 339.12. And then my last step, step 4, is to divide by 3. Divide by 3. And you get 113.04. So the volume of this sphere is 113.04 cubic, whatever this is. So again, just to go over it, you need radius if they give you diameter. So like this, the diameter would have been 6 here. We need radius. Radius times radius times radius because it's to the third. Then go ahead and multiply it by pi. Then do multiply by 4, divide by 3. All right. This is our last lesson in volume. So this is the end of our unit. I will see you guys next time. Have fun practicing. Later.